Welcome to my channel. What if waking up 1 hour earlier could change your entire life? What if success was not about luck, but about what you do before the world wakes up? Most people start their day in chaos. The world's top performers start their day in control. This is the 5 a.m. Club by Robin Sharma, a book that teaches how mornings create destiny. Part 1 of this book. Why most people feel stuck in life. Most people are not lazy. They are distracted. They wake up late. They rush. They check their phone. They react to life instead of designing it. This creates stress, low energy, no focus, no long-term growth. Robin Sharma explains that your morning shape your mindset and your mindset shapes your life. If you win the morning, you win the day. The problem with modern life we live in: notification overload, information noise, endless comparison. This keeps the brain anxious, distracted, reactive. Early morning give you silence, control, clarity. That's where transformation begins. Part 2 of this book is the birth of the 5 a.m. Club. In the book, Robin Sharma uses a storytelling format. Three main characters: a struggling entrepreneur, an unhappy artist, a mysterious billionaire mentor. The mentor teaches them a simple rule: wake up at 5 a.m., got that hour. Not for work, not for email, but for self-mastery. Why 5 a.m.? Because the brain is calm, willpower is highest, distractions are lowest. This hour is called the victory hour. How you use this hour decides your confidence, your discipline, your future success. 20-20-20 formula. The mentor then reveals the most powerful system in the book, the 20-20-20 formula. A simple routine, 1 hour, 3 parts. And this system alone has changed millions of lives. But here is the catch: most people quit before results appear. In the next part, we will break down the 20-20-20 formula step by step, the science behind habits, why discomfort is the price of greatness. In part 3, the 20-20-20 formula, core of the book, Robin Sharma says the first hour of your day decides the quality of your life. This hour is called the victory hour, and this hour is divided into 3 powerful parts: 20 minutes move, 20 minutes reflect, 20 minutes grow. This is the famous 20-20-20 formula. First 20 minutes move, physical exercise. The first 20 minutes after waking up at 5 a.m. are for intense physical movement. Why? Because exercise releases dopamine. Dopamine improves focus and motivation. Sweat removes stress hormones, cortisol. Robin Sharma explains, sweat before sunrise multiplies intelligence. What to do in these 20 minutes? Fast walking, running, push-ups, skipping, yoga, any intense movement. The goal is not fitness, the goal is mental clarity. When your body moves, your brain wakes up fully. Why this works? Science behind it. Morning exercise improves mood, increases energy for the whole day. Sharpness thinking builds discipline. People who skip this step feel lazy, stay distracted, lose focus early. Energy first, productivity later. Second 20 minutes, perfect mind control. It reflects your mind. This is the most ignored part by most people. These 20 minutes are for journaling, meditation, gratitude, planning the day. Why reflection matters? Because life becomes chaotic without clarity. The mind becomes noisy without silence. What to do exactly? Write 3 things you are grateful for. Visualize your ideal life. Write your goals. Ask, what kind of person do I want to be today? Robin Sharma says, inner peace creates outer power. Reflection creates emotional strength. People fail not because of lack of skill, but because of fear, self-doubt, overthinking. Reflection trains you to control emotions, reduce anxiety, increase confidence. This is how leaders are built. Third 20 minutes grow, learning. The final 20 minutes are for learning and self growth. This includes reading books, listening to audiobooks, watching educational videos, learning a new skill. Robin Sharma calls this daily micro progress. Small learning every day creates massive intelligence over time. Read just 10 pages a day. That's 3,650 pages a year. That's 15-20 books every year. That's how ordinary people become extraordinary. The magic of small daily wins. The 5 a.m. club is not about waking early. It's about consistency, identity change, daily discipline. You don't wake up at 5 a.m. to impress others. You wake up to build yourself. The habit loop. Why this becomes automatic? At first, it feels painful, it feels uncomfortable, but after 21 or 266 days, the brain adapts. Discomfort becomes discipline. Discipline becomes identity. Eventually, I wake up at 5 am because I am the kind of person who wakes up at 5 am. Key takeaways from part 3 is morning exercise boosts brain power, reflection builds emotional strength, learning creates long-term success. Small daily actions beat big occasional efforts. But here is the truth. Waking up at 5 am is useless if you don't protect your focus and manage your energy correctly. In the next part, I will uncover the twin cycle of elite performance, why reset is as important as work, the 1991 rule used by top performance. Part 4. The twin cycles of elite performance, one of the most underrated but powerful ideas in the 5 am club is this. You are not designed to perform at 100% all the time. Most people believe work more equal to success, hustle non-stop equal to achievement. But this thinking destroys focus, health, and creativity. Robin Sharma introduces a smarter model called the twin cycle of elite performance. Cycle number 1. High performance phase. This is the phase where you work deeply, focus intensely, push your limits, creates your best output. This phase requires discipline, energy, mental strength, but here is the mistake people make. They stay in this phase too long. Cycle number 2. Deep recovery phase. Elite performers recover seriously as they work. Recovery includes quality sleep, relaxation, nature walks, silence, reflection. Why is recovery critical? Because growth happens during reset. Creativity is born in silence. Burnout kills consistency. Robin Sharma says, you don't grow while working, you grow while recovering. Why balance creates long-term success? People who never rest lose focus, become anxious, burn out, quit early. People who balance performance plus recovery, they consistent, they clearly perform longer, win the long term. Longevity beats intensity. The 1991 rule game changer. This is one of the most practical rules in the book. The rule for the next 90 days. Spend the first 90 minutes of your workday on one most important goal. No phone, no email, no distraction. Just deep focus. Why this rule works? Because the brain is freshest in the morning. Distractions are lowest. Willpower is highest. Most people waste their best hours on low value tasks. Elite performers protect their prime hours. Example: instead of checking WhatsApp, scrolling social media, replying to emails, to use those 90 minutes to write, learn, build, create. This single habit can 10x your productivity. Digital distraction is the new addiction. Robin Sharma strongly warns against consistent notification, social media addiction, endless scrolling. He calls it digital dementia. Too much screen time weakens focus, kills creativity, increases anxiety. That's why morning must be phone free, notification free, peaceful. Protect your material environment. Just like your body needs clean food, your mind needs clean information. Ask yourself, is this content helping me grow or is it just distracting me? Elite performers are extremely selective. Work plus recovery creates excellence. Burnout is not a badge of honor. Focus beats hustle. Protect your best hours. Control technology before it controls you. But here is the uncomfortable truth. Growth requires discomfort, and most people avoid discomfort at all cost. In part 5, we will learn why pain creates power, the concept of temporary discomfort for permanent growth, how ordinary people become elite. In part 5, temporary discomfort creates permanent growth. One brutal truth separates successful people from average people. Successful people do what is uncomfortable. Average people avoid discomfort. Robin Sharma makes this very clear. Growth is painful, transformation is uncomfortable, but comfort is dangerous. The pain growth relationship. Every improvement in life comes from discomfort. Muscles grow by tearing confidence, grow by facing fear. Discipline grows by resistance. If you always choose comfort, you stay the same. You never level up. Robin Sharma says the path of least resistance leads to a life of least fulfillment. Why most people quit early? When people try waking up at 5 am. First 3 days, excitement. Next 7 days, pain. After that, quitting. Why? Because the brain hates change. Your brain is designed to save energy, avoid discomfort, protect habits. So when you wake up early, your brain fights back. This resistance is normal. The 66 days rule, habit installation. Robin Sharma explains that habits are not built in 21 days. They take around 66 days. These 66 days have 3 phases. Phase 1, destruction. Old habits break. You feel tired, motivation drops. Phase 2, confusion. Days 23 to 44. You feel lost. Results are invisible. Doubt increases. Phase 3, integration. Habit feels natural. Resistance reduces. Identity changes. Most people quit in phase 1 or 2. Winners survive till phase 3. Identity shift. The real goal is not waking up at 5 am. The goal is becoming disciplined, focused, self-controlled. Once your identity changes, habits follow automatically. You don't say, I try to wake up early. You say, I'm an early riser. That's power. Mental toughness is a skill. Mental toughness is not talent. It's trained. How? Doing hard things daily. Keeping promises to yourself. Showing up even when tired. Each early morning builds confidence, self-respect, inner strength. Robin Sharma says, self-respect is built by doing difficult things. Why early morning multiply discipline? If you can win the morning, the reset of the day feels easy. Discipline spills into other areas. Confidence increases naturally. Waking up at 5 am improves willpower, sharpens focus, builds leadership qualities. That's why elite performers love morning. Discomfort is the price of greatness. Habits take time to install. Resistance means growth. Identity matters more than motivation. Discipline creates freedom. But discipline alone is not enough. You also need clear priorities, a distraction free environment, a long term vision. In part 6, we will uncover the 4 focus empires, how to design your environment for success, why willpower alone always fails. In part 6, the 4 focus empire life balancing blueprint. Robin Sharma explains that success is not just about money or career. The true success means winning in all areas of life, not just one. He introduces a powerful concept called the 4 focus empires. Your life has 4 empires. Neglect even one, and your whole life feels incomplete. And Empire 1 mindset, psychology. This is your inner world, thoughts, beliefs, self talk, emotional control. If your mindset is weak, success is not lost, confidence collapses. Under pressure, daily mindset habits, reflection, gratitude, silence, positive self talk. Robin Sharma says your psychology predicts your performance. Strong mindset equal to calm decisions plus long-term success. Empire 2 health, physical energy. Your body is your performance vehicle. Without health, focus drops, discipline weakens, motivation disappears, elite performance protect. Sleep, nutrition, exercise, recovery. Waking up at 5 am supports health because you move daily, you reduce stress, you create a structure. Energy comes before achievement. And in Empire 3, craft, work and skills. This is what you are paid for. Career, business, skills, creativity. Robin Sharma emphasizes be world class at what you do. How? Daily improvement, deep work, learning every day, avoiding mediocrity. This is where the 1991 rule fits perfectly. Empire 4 heart set, relationship and purpose. This empire includes family, friends, love, contribution. Many people succeed professionally but fail personally. True leadership means kindness, humility, service, meaning. Robin Sharma reminds us success without fulfillment is failure. Why balance creates long term happiness? Most people focus on only one empire, usually money. That creates emptiness. Elite performers invest in all 4 empires. How holistically? Live with peace and power. The 5 am routine gives time to work on your whole life, not just work. Environment beats willpower. One major reason in the book willpower is weak. Environment is strong. If your environment is distracting, you will lose focus. You will break habits. Design your environment. Keep phone away in the morning. Prepare workout clothes at night. Keep books visible. Reduce noise. Make good habits easy and bad habits hard. Small system beat big motivation. Motivation comes and goes. System stay. The 5 am club is not motivation, it's a system. A system works even when you feel lazy, protects you from excuses, creates consistency. That's why it works long term. Life has 4 empires, not one balance creates fulfillment. Energy is more important than a talent. Environment controls behavior, system beat motivation. Now comes the most practical question. How do you apply this in a real busy modern life? Why stress, work and distractions? In part 7, we will cover a real life 5 am routine, common excuses and how to beat them. How beginners should start. How to apply the 5 am club in real life. Practical and honest. This is the question everyone asks. This sounds great, but how do I actually do it in real life? Robin Sharma is very clear here. You don't need perfection, you need progression. The beginner's 5 am club plan realistic. If you are currently waking up at 8 am or later, don't jump directly to 5 am. Step by step shift. Day 1 to 3, wake up 30 minutes. Day 4 to 7, another 30 minutes earlier. Slow reach 5 am in 2-3 weeks. This reduces shock to the brain. Consistency beats intensity. Night routine matters more than morning. Most people fail at waking early because they ignore night habits. Robin Sharma says, morning victory begins the night before. Night rules: no phone 60 minutes before sleep. Light dinner. Prepare clothes and plan next morning. Sleep at the same time daily. Early rising is impossible without early sleeping. How to beat the phone addiction? The biggest enemy of the 5 am club is your phone. Morning phone usage kills focus, wastes willpower, triggers stress. Solution: keeps phone outside the bedroom. Use a basic alarm clock. No notifications till after victory hour. This one change alone can transform your morning. I feel tired. The truth in the beginning. You will feel tired. That does not mean the system is wrong. It means your body is adjusting. Your energy will stabilize after 7 to 14 days. Don't quit during adaptation. Remember, temporary tiredness is the price of permanent energy. Common excuses and real answers. I'm not a morning person. There are no morning or night people. There are trained habits. I'm too busy. Busy people need structure more than anymore. I miss sleep. Quality sleep matters more than quantity. Early sleep equal to deep recovery. What if you miss a day? Missing one day equal to human. Missing 2 days equal to pattern. Rule: never miss twice. Don't feel guilty. Just restart immediately. Progress, perfection. The real goal is very important. The goal is not just waking up 5 am. The goal is discipline, focus, self-respect, inner control. 5 am is just a tool. Robin Sharma says small daily improvements lead to stunning results. Start slowly and realistically. Night routine creates morning success. Phone control is non-negotiable. Early discomfort is temporary. Discipline builds identity. So what happens after weeks and months of living like this? How does the 5 am club change confidence, improve income, transform personality? In part 8, we will cover long-term transformation and elite mindset shift. This is where every comes together. Robin Sharma explains that the real magic of the 5 am club is not visible in days. It's visible in months and years. What happens after 30 to 90 days? If you follow the 5 am club consistently, you start noticing changes, mental changes, clear thinking, calm reactions, reduced anxiety, strong self-belief. You stop reacting to life. You start leading your life. Physical changes, better energy, improved health, better sleep quality, stronger immunity. You feel lighter, sharper, and more alive. Professional changes, higher focus, better ideas, faster progress, more confidence at work. Because while others are sleeping, you are building yourself. The elite identity shift. The biggest change is eternal. You stop asking, how do I stay motivated? You start saying, this is who I am. You become disciplined by identity, focused by default, confident without noise. Robin Sharma says, world-class habits create world-class people. Why most people will never do this? Let's be honest, most people love comfort, hate discipline, avoid silence, fear boredom. That's why the 5 am club works. Not because it's easy, but because it's rare, and rarity creates value. Ordinary versus elite. The powerful contrast. Ordinary life, elite life wakes up late, wake up intentionally, react all day, plan the day, chase motivation, build discipline, consume content, create value, complain, improve. The difference is not talent, it's daily habits. The real meaning of waking up at 5 am. Waking up at 5 am is symbolic. It means choosing growth over comfort, choosing silence over noise, choosing discipline over excuses. It's a declaration to yourself. My future matters. Life is short. Time is precious. Robin Sharma reminds us, don't live the same year 75 times and call it a life. Your morning are your life's foundation. If you control your mornings, you control your destiny. Morning creates momentum. Small habits create massive result. Discomfort creates strength. Focus beats talent. Consistency beats intensity. Discipline creates freedom. While the whole world is sleeping, dreaming, scrolling, you can build discipline, sharpening your mind, strengthening your body, designing your future. The choice is simple: waking up early or wake up regretful. If this summary added value to your life, subscribe to Books in Minutes, the powerful book summaries that save your time and upgrade your mindset. Share this video with someone who wants to win in life. Thanks for watching. Bye. Take care.